BMHJ semi-gantry crane with hoist installation guide. Check the shipping list. Check the packing list. Main girder parts. Install the end carriage. Install the buffer. Prepare the installation of support bracket. Install the support bracket. Install the track hanger. Install C-track. Install the C-track joint. Fasten the bolts on track hanger. Install the cable clamp. Install the trolley of pendant system. Install the pendant cable. Fasten the end trolley of pendant system. Install the end cap of C-track. Install the crane conductor bracket. Lay out the cables. Connect cables. Install the crane limit switch. Hoist parts. Measure the width of the runway. Install the bolts. Adjust the spacer. Install wheel system. Install nuts. Measure the distance between wheels. Install the hoist. Insert the pin after tightening the nut. The distance between the wheel edge and the runway is 3 mm to 5 mm. Install the hook. Install the iron block. Install non-slip locks. Install the overload limiter. Connect the cables. Install the conductor bracket. Support legs parts. But support legs and flange. Install the locating bolts first. Then install the normal bolts. Tighten the bolts. Install the flange of support legs. Hang temporary hawser. Assembling. Determine where the legs are mounted. Place the support leg in correct installation position. Place wooden blocks to secure the legs. Tighten the hawser to adjust the support legs. Place wooden blocks to secure the hoist. Place the main girder in correct installation position. Weld flanges. Install the remote control. Install the electrical control box. Install sound and light alarm. Install the current collector. Thread the cables. Connect cables. Note, the amount of oil injected into the reducer of each mechanism should refer to the reducer mark to quantitatively fill industrial gear oil. Carry out commissioning and run the driving mechanism.